Hello. Just recently I worked with one of my coaches. He experiences a lot of resistance from his team, which is of course very stressful and frustrating for him. One of the key principles in NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, is that if you experience resistance, it is an indication that there is a lack of rapport. My question to him: are there any perceived barriers that you think are hindering your ability to establish rapport with your team members? He looked at me and said straightforward, "Karin, I'm here to get a job done and not to make friends." This is a fair statement based on his current knowledge, and unfortunately it makes his life a lot harder than it has to be. Building rapport and being friends are related concepts, but there are still differences, especially in a professional setting when it comes to setting boundaries. My goal is to understand perceptions without judgment, help with self-reflection, identify expectations, and help to overcome potential barriers. I would not suggest that managers should be friends with their team members, but learning the art of connection by building rapport is a key difference maker. In very simple terms, I would say the best way to establish rapport is to become curious about people, their likes, dislikes, needs, motivations, and to find common ground. What would it be like if you managed to create a positive atmosphere for collaboration and better results? This would be amazing, right? That's exactly what rapport will do for you and your team environment. Can you see the difference? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.